So in this example, this is another kind of statement about the definite integral, but expressed in a different way. For example, find the area of the plane region bounded by the x-axis and the graph of the function 4x cubed plus 8x plus 1, where x is in between 0 to 3. Yan. Including 0 and 3 kasi it's less than or equal yung ginamit na symbol. So it's from 0 to 3. Okay? Now, I already pasted the graph because if you will be graphing it in our, let me just show it with you. If you will be graphing it in our GeoGebra, it will look like just a straight line simply because kailangan mo talaga siyang i-zoom out there. You have to zoom it out for you to see how it really looks. So the movement is like this. Ganun siya yung type niya. This is the type of the graph. Ganyan yung type niya. And we will be needing a large scale for the y-axis for us to show it really. So to better understand it, the graph is already presented with us. There are instances that the graphs are already presented. So we need not to worry anymore about the graph. Okay? So with this, we can already solve this. So you can just simply count all the units. However, for the parts wherein they do not take the complete unit, then that's where this can be of big help. Okay, so if we will be doing this in our integral, definite integral, this will be the definite integral of 4x cubed the definite integral of 4x cubed plus 8x plus 1 sorry, dx from 0 to 3. Yeah. So this is how we do this. Now, let's take the integral of this. So this will be equal to, everybody, what is the integral of this given function? What is the integral of this given function? Type it in the chat box. This is sum and difference. Very easy. What is the integral of this given function? Let me see. What's the integral? Oh, to those who already have forgotten it, please don't forget it, huh? Let's just apply the integral. Sum and difference, we will separate the constant and the given variable. So we will have here 4x cubed. Can you follow? Can you follow? Dx plus 8, the integral of x dx plus 1. You need not to write it anymore, pero we will still write it for the sake of seeing the complete solution. The integral of dx. Okay, now let's identify the integrals of each. So this will be equal to 4 times 3 plus 1. So that's x raised to 4. Whatever is your exponent, copy it in the denominator. I hope you can still remember that. Plus 8 times x, 1 plus 1, that's squared over 2. Again, whatever is in your numerator, in your exponent, copy it in the denominator. Finally, plus if it's just dx, then the integral of that is just x plus x plus c. Okay? So finally, when we simplify this, we will have x raised to 4. Can you follow? And then this will become 4. So that's plus 4x squared plus c, plus x plus c. So this is now the integral of our given. After that, we can now solve for the area of the given problem. So we will have here the integral of the definite integral of 4x cubed plus 8x plus 1 dx is equal to, let's enclose all this in a bracket, x raised to 4 plus 4x squared plus x. It will end with x, not anymore with the z, with the c. Close bracket, put the boundaries from 0 to 3, and then let's substitute it now. So let's start with 3. So this will become 3 raised to 4 plus, 4 squared plus, lagay ko lang muna para maliwanag tayo. Then 4, 4. So 3 and then 3. Okay? Minus. After that, the 0 naman. Oy, mas madali yung 0. 0 is a lot easier. So let me just write all the formats. Raised to 4 plus 4 times squared plus close bracket. Okay, this time we will put the second boundary, 0, 0, and 0. And of course, since this is 0, 0 raised to 4 is still 0, plus 4 times 0 squared is 0, plus 0, that's all 0. So this is just 0. Okay? So gustong-gusto kong sinosolve kapag yung given one of the boundaries is 0. But of course, you need to be careful, because if there are other functions there that will result not to 0, then that will be a different process. Let's continue. So if we have here, this will be equal to 3 raised to 4 plus 4 times 3 squared plus 3. Use your calculators, please, and type it in the chat box. Use your calculators and type your answer in the chat box. What is the value of this? Very good. What about the rest? So the area, correct. Very good. So the area will be, kasi we are looking for the area. The area will be equal to, keep the answers coming, 120. Since we are talking about the x and y axis, we will use the unit square units. Okay, and so that is the answer to our given problem. Show me a reaction if that's clear. Show me a reaction if that's clear. Very good. Okay, so therefore in here, when you count all these things here, this will be equal to 120 square units. Okay? That's it. Paulit-ulit lamang. Sorry for that. Paulit-ulit lamang na ganun yung process. Do you want another example or that's okay na? Please react. Please let me know. Is that okay na or you want another example? Uy. Okay na? Okay, si LJ, okay na daw siya. What about the rest? But the process will just be the same. Paulit-ulit lang. Okay, what about the rest? Sir, to clarify po. Bali po, the subscript po of the kulot, subscript of the kulot, integral yun. Yun po yung first value. Value na nasa taas po ng kulot. Kulot. Kulot pala yung tawag doon. Okay. Actually, this is the integral, the definite integral of the given function from 0 to 3. From 0 to 3. Ibig sabihin, this is your A. The smallest value is, of course, your A. And the biggest value is your B. Always remember that. So when you substitute, you will always start with the bigger value and then minus the substituted function with the smaller value. Ganun lagi. Okay, B minus A lagi. Bigger minus the smaller yung process natin. Okay? Thank you. Okay, there is one request here, sir. Another example pa po. Okay, sure. One more example daw. Okay na po pala. Okay. Okay na daw. Thank you so much. So, binawi na nung humihingi na example. Okay na daw. So, I guess the process is already clear. Let me just, I would like to hear from you now. How do we solve for the definite integral of the given function? Let me see. Please type your answer in the chat box. Or if you are tired of typing the answer in the chat box, just simply raise your hand and then unmute your microphone and tell us the process on how to get the definite integral of the given function. Anyone? Anyone? Okay, I will be sending something in our chat box. Oh, game. Sige nga, let me see who has the courage to take the challenge. Who can tell us the process of identifying how do we get the definite integral of the given function? This process actually, how do we do it? Raise your hand if you want to answer. Automatic yan. Game. How do we solve for the definite integral of the given function? Anyone? Anyone who has the courage to take the challenge?
Summarize na lang po siya.
Go.
Bale, syempre, connected po yung indefinite sa definite po.
Mhm.
So, ang una niyong gagawin is, kukunin mo yung indefinite integral, yung sagot. Tignan niyo dito sa umpisa, yung x4 plus 4, yung unang naka-highlight. Yun yun. Diba? Gagamitin niyo doon para makuha yun is yung mga rules na napag-aralan na natin sa first weeks ng fourth quarter. And then, ang gagawin mo naman, tatagalin mo na yung C kasi yung plus C, para yun sa indefinite lang. Ang isusolve mo na yung para sa definite. So, tatanggalin mo siya. And then, ipa-follow mo na lang yung formula for definite, which is yung dito, yung answer na nakuha mo mula sa pagsasolve ng indefinite integral na nakatanggal na yung plus C, yung may naka-bracket na may 3 sa taas tapos 0 sa baba. Yun, dun na tayo. Ngayon, ang gagawin mo naman is yung FA minus FB na formula. Ang gagawin mo lang doon sa FA, yung function na nasa loob ng bracket, yung mga x doon, isa-substitute mo yung yung 3 or yung exponent yung nasa taas. And then minus lang yung FB na yung 0. Yun lang. Tapos substitute mo lang sila and then calculator and then you'll already get your answer for the definite.
Okay, very good. Thank you for that, Linnea. Anyone who would like to second the answer of Linnea, who would like to express naman on his or her own simpler way on how to get the definite integral of the given function? Anyone? Wala na? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Thank you so much. So I guess everything is okay na. Your classmates are not anymore requesting for another example. And your classmates already showed affirmation for the process that we just had. Okay. Now, let's move on with the last part of our class. So Linnea was able to explain the process of doing it. Congratulations. You can automatically take the one that I sent in our chat box. Congratulations for that. Okay.